abusekho manje ngoba sekwenzeke okuningi ukuxuba izinto ezatholakala ukuthi abaphenyi becala nabashushisi nabezombusazwe babehleba ukuthi singambophela kanjani uZuma amanqinenyathi na ngale nje kokuningi lokho kusho ukuthi umungase umsenkantolo ufana nomuntu omthumela esilaheni.
He's maintained his innocence from the beginning, claiming that the corruption case against him was nothing but a witch hunt, a campaign by his political adversaries to see him imprisoned. The former president was first charged in 2005, days after his former financial advisor, Kabir Sheikh, was found guilty of soliciting bribes from Thales on behalf of Zuma. The case involved 783 questionable payments Zuma is alleged to have received from Thales in connection with the arms deal. For years, Zuma managed to evade trial. But in 2018, charges against Zuma and Thales were reinstated by the former head of the National Prosecuting Authority, Sean Abrahams. From the onset, the state, led by advocate Billy Downer, stated they were ready for trial. Several postponements followed as both parties went back and forth on pre-trial matters. In 2019, Jacob Zuma and his co-accused filed an application for the permanent stay of prosecution. In his argument, he cited delays, pre-trial irregularities, and the fact that he strongly believed that he was the target of his political opponents. Based on these factors, Zuma argued that his constitutional rights had been violated and that he wouldn't get a free trial. Thales wanted the decision to reinstate charges against them reviewed. The matter, which was heard by a full bench, was dismissed, dealing Zuma a major blow. Review applications to the Supreme Court of Appeal and Constitutional Court were also unsuccessful. In April last year, after firing his attorney of 2 years, Daniel Manja, Zuma announced he would be preparing for what was described as the biggest trial of his life. Eric Mabuza replaced Manja as his lawyer. The COVID-19 pandemic that hit the country resulted in further delays. The case was postponed several times as pre-trial issues needed to be resolved. And the travel ban imposed by government meant witnesses wouldn't be able to attend the trial. Despite Zuma's legal team having pushed for the trial date to be set in October last year, it was in February this year that the court finally announced a trial date. Both the state and defense are finally ready for the long-awaited trial to start on the 17th of May. Over 200 witnesses are set to take the stand. However, just weeks before the trial, a surprise announcement from Zuma's defense. His lawyer, Mabuza, and senior counsel, Moses Kakana, had called it quits, but no reasons were furnished. Legal experts say the matter will most likely be postponed to allow Zuma time to appoint a new legal team. After more than 15 years of legal battles, it again remains unclear whether Zuma will finally get his day in court. I am Mhlongo, SABC News, Durban.